Welcome to our channel. Let's deep dive into technical SEO. In our digital age, the visibility of your website on search engines can make or break your business. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the art and science of enhancing your online presence. It's not just about topping search engine results. It's about understanding how your audience searches for your services and ensuring they find you effortlessly. This video will guide you through the essentials and advanced techniques to not only boost your website's visibility, but also enhance its overall performance. Let's unveil the secrets behind successful SEO strategies and transform your digital footprint. Let's get started. In the lightning-fast world of digital marketing, 1 second of delay or a single broken link can mean the difference between a successful customer interaction and a lost opportunity. Imagine your website as a sprawling metropolis. Now consider technical SEO as the critical infrastructure, like roads and bridges, that makes it possible for traffic to flow seamlessly. Without well-optimized roads, your content, no matter how brilliant, might never reach your intended audience. Technical SEO isn't just about making Google happy. It's about crafting an online experience that is fluid, intuitive, and predominantly user-oriented. This involves diving into the intricacies of website structure, speed, and functionality to ensure they meet both search engine guidelines and user expectations. In this essay, we embark on a thorough exploration of technical SEO, offering clear, actionable strategies aimed at elevating your site's search engine performance dramatically. Before we can master the art, it's crucial to understand what technical SEO is all about. It refers to the process of optimizing the infrastructure of your website so that search engines can crawl and index it effectively without hurdles. This foundational aspect of SEO focuses on improving elements like site structure, URL structure, sitemaps, and more, ensuring they all work together to provide a seamless experience not just for search engines but for users as well. Technical SEO is like a puzzle. Each piece, whether it's site speed, security, or mobile friendliness, must fit perfectly to enhance overall performance. Understanding these components ensures that SEO experts can make informed decisions that align with both technological advancements and evolving user expectations. The evolution of search engines has made them more adept at understanding user intent and delivering relevant content. This means that technical SEO is not merely about appeasement of algorithms, but about engaging in better dialogue with these intelligent systems to promote your content effectively. Essential to technical SEO is ensuring that search engines can discover your content. This involves fine-tuning your website so that search engine spiders can crawl it efficiently and index the content accurately. The process starts with the accessibility of your site. Robot.txt files and sitemap.xml are crucial tools in this respect. They guide search engines through your website, indicating which pages should be indexed. Next up is the optimization of these crawls. It's not enough for your content to be just found, it has to be understood. Improving URL structure, ensuring a logical site hierarchy, and utilizing schema markup can play a pivotal role in how effectively your content is indexed and interpreted. In addition, regular audits to identify and fix crawl errors can prevent SEO health issues that might otherwise go unnoticed but could significantly impact your site's search performance. Speed is a critical factor in both user experience and search engine rankings. As internet speeds increase globally, users' patience for slow-loading websites is diminishing. Google's algorithm updates increasingly prioritize site speed, reflecting the importance of a fast-loading site. To optimize site speed, begin with a comprehensive analysis using tools like Google's Page Speed Insights. This tool provides actionable insights that can significantly boost loading times. Techniques like image compression, minimizing CSS and JavaScript, and leveraging browser caching are all effective methods of enhancing site speed. Beyond technical adjustments, the choice of hosting service and the geographical location of servers can also impact how quickly content is delivered to users. Optimizing these factors ensures that your website doesn't just operate efficiently, it zips along at peak performance. With over half of global web traffic coming from mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly website is no longer optional, it's imperative. Google's shift to mobile-first indexing means that it predominantly uses the mobile version of the content for indexing and ranking. To optimize for mobile, start by using responsive design technologies that allow your site to scale seamlessly across various devices. Google's mobile-friendly test can help identify areas where your site might be falling short. Additionally, consider the user experience on mobile. Elements like button size, navigation ease, and image responsiveness all contribute to a superior mobile user experience. Security is a top priority for online users and thus a critical component of technical SEO. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, certificates secure the data transmitted between your website and its visitors, fostering a safe browsing environment. Implementing SSL not only protects your site's visitors but also signals to search engines that your site is trustworthy, enhancing your rankings. Websites with HTTPS are often seen as more credible, which can increase user trust and potentially lead to higher conversion rates. While setting up SSL, ensure that all old URLs are properly redirected to their new HTTPS counterparts to avoid any loss in search rankings due to broken links or duplicate content issues. Managing broken links and redirects can significantly impact your site. Broken links and improper redirects create a poor user experience and hurt your SEO efforts. They act like roadblocks in the navigation path, potentially stopping search engines and users alike in their tracks. To manage these effectively, it's crucial to conduct regular audits using tools like Screaming Frog, SEO Spider, or Google Search Console. These tools help identify and fix broken links and improper redirects. For redirects, ensure that you are using the correct method, preferably 301 redirects for permanent changes, as these transfer most of the link equity to the new URL. Advanced structured data can be a game changer in how search engines understand and display your content. By using schema markup, you provide explicit clues about the meaning of a page, which can help improve your rankings and appearance in search results. Implementing schema helps create rich snippets, which are enhanced search listings, often resulting in higher click-through rates. From an SEO perspective, these detailed snippets not only convey authority, they also make your listing more attractive, potentially outperforming competitors' less informative results. Let's dive into practical case studies, success stories in technical SEO. Learning from successful implementations can provide invaluable insights into effective technical SEO strategies. Let's explore some case studies where businesses have implemented the techniques discussed and seen substantial improvements in their SEO metrics. One notable case is a retail company that redesigned their website architecture to optimize crawl efficiency and incorporated comprehensive schema markup. The result was a 50% increase in organic traffic and a significant jump in ranking positions across numerous keywords. As these case studies show, when technical SEO is done right, it not only improves search engine visibility but also enhances user engagement and conversion rates. Through continuous learning and adaptation to new SEO practices, businesses can ensure they not only keep pace but lead in the digital race. As we conclude, remember that technical SEO is a continually evolving discipline that requires ongoing attention and refinement. By implementing the strategies outlined in this essay, you will not only optimize your site for search engines, but also create a better, faster, and more secure experience for your users. This comprehensive essay is designed to provide a deep understanding of technical SEO, a crucial component for anyone looking to boost their website's performance in search engine rankings. By following the strategies and examples presented, readers can expect to gain practical, actionable insights that will help them not only meet the technical requirements of modern search engines, but also improve the overall user experience on their websites. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced SEO practitioner, this essay equips you with the knowledge to tackle technical challenges effectively and drive your digital marketing success. As we wrap up our technical SEO series, we invite your feedback to enhance our content. Share your SEO challenges and victories in the comments below. Your insights fuel our future videos. Engage with us by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell. Every interaction counts. Join our community today and stay tuned for the next module. As we close this chapter on technical SEO, the journey towards mastering SEO is far from over. If you're committed to elevating your website's performance, you won't want to miss what's coming up next in Module 5, Content Optimization. Here, we'll explore how fine-tuning your content can dramatically boost your search engine rankings and attract more targeted traffic to your site. Prepare to dive deep into keyword strategies, the significance of content quality, and the optimization of multimedia elements, where every piece of content you create becomes a strategic asset in your SEO arsenal. Thanks for watching.